Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a promo code on the app when you're sending money. It's super quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. First, start a transfer just like you normally would. Then, enter the country you're sending money to. Next, fill in the You Send field with the amount you want to send. After that, choose your payment method and delivery method. You can select options like debit card, bank deposit, or cash pickup depending on what works best for you. Now here's the important part. Look for the Add Promo Code option and tap it. You'll see a space where you can enter your promo code. Go ahead and type it in. Once you've entered the code, tap the icon on the right to apply it. After that, your promo code will be added successfully. You can then continue with your transfer as usual, and your discount or offer will automatically apply, and that's it. You've just learned how to add a promo code in a few easy steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.